YouTube? It's Neonleaf here, back with another video, and today we're opening another 2 packs of Sun and Moon, but it is the Moon version. It is Korean, and it's exotic in my opinion, so alright, let's get the first pack. First pack magic. Okay, I think it's one from the back. Alright, oh, we got a Grimer. Alright. Pepik. What the heck? It's the same. Oh, I don't know if you guys remember, but we got like the same exact energy in I don't know, one of those two. But yeah, these are the hits of the last video. Favorite is of the Umbreon. It's a nice card. Got the energy last time. And a holographic. Nice. Sleeve up. I think I forgot one more sleeve. Alright. Next pack. Huh. It's hard to open. Okay. Back, and I forget what his name is. I actually finished Pokemon Sun, like with this guy. He was in my champion match. I remember like specifically in Aethar Paradise, like battling Guzma with him. And oh my god! It's got like I don't know if it's water or stuff, like sparks. It looks like right there. Okay. Go through the polls today. Alright then. The 2 big ones today is the Vikavolt and what was it? I remember getting a shiny of him in was it Omega Ruby, probably Alpha Sapphire, but I remember transferring him to Alpha Sapphire to like get him to evolve. I remember getting a shiny version of him. Okay. Alright, that's probably gonna be it for my Korean pack openings. Probably for around actually might do like one more. I don't know if I could find any. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And comment down below if like what you want me to post nowadays. I'm running out of ideas, but like I bought another 2 of these packs. We got like two in a row hollows. It's pretty good. I mean, like you don't really see that often. Well, kind of do because hollows are pretty common. But again, like and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see any more videos. Because again, running out of ideas. Hope you liked this video. And this is Neon Leaf, and bye.